somehow got in the eye zone today, and so I thought the eye that I sketched this morning, why don't I try to do it in watercolor? And so I started doing it in watercolor here, and I gotta say this paper is like low grade student grade paper, wood pulp, and does not respond very well to the watercolor, but it is watercolor paper, and for some reason I found a big pile of it, and I've been pouring through it anyway. I thought that eye was just ghastly. So then I took some Arches 90-pound paper, which is, should be a lot better, at least it's made of cotton, and so started trying the eye again, and this time I guess it was coming out slightly better. So lots of fun painting the eye, having an eye day. Here I put that black there, but it was still kind of wet where I had done the faint blue of the eye whites, and so started smearing around. But I just ignored that and kept going, and then did a very rough eyebrow, and that's it. Oh, and right at the end, I had forgotten to leave white for a highlight, and I sort of did a white paint opaque watercolor highlight. But anyway, second one I guess is an improvement.